Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a quick demonstration on ARC Welder. I got this from hacksnow.com. Went to the Google Chrome site for extensions and downloaded ARC Welder. And I set it up. You can see under Google Chrome there's a tab called Apps, or a button called Apps. So click on it. There's ARC Welder there. And in order to set it up, you have to set up a folder where your APKs are being held. So I went to APK Pure and downloaded Cell Lab, which is this, it's a simulator for DNA sequencing. I downloaded that. You can see down here, downloaded. And then to close out APK, cancel, discard. All right, so there's Cell Lab, but let's go ahead and open it from within APK, or rather ARC Welder. Add your APK, and you can see it's right here. This is the data that's been generated since I started using it. And here's the Cell Lab. So I click on Open. And I'm using a non-Chrome OS platform. Yes, that's correct. I'm using Ubuntu 16. And I'm going to accept all of these parameters, and I click Test. Oh, cancel. Why was it doing that? Don't know why it's canceled. So you watch the tutorials, and there's a couple of things that are not going to work because I don't have a click zoom. I have a petri dish here. Please increase magnification by inverse pinch with 2 fingers. Now, because I'm on a regular desktop, I don't have pinch to zoom. Maybe it's worth investing that, but I'll go ahead and add some cells. And now what's interesting is I can, by holding down or rather using the mouse wheel, I can go up and down. Left to right, I can click and drag. If I try to click and drag holding down the shift or the control key, I don't get the same. I can't get any pinch to zoom behavior, and rolling in only goes up and down. And I can drag the objects around, but I cannot zoom. It's a bummer here. And right click doesn't do anything. Well, actually it does. It selects the item. Hold down the shift key, the control key, and it doesn't select more than one, but I can keep adding algae in this case. Discard. So it's very interesting, and this is not the only application I'll be testing. And this application just is not going to work unless I have zoom capabilities. Genome editing, mode editor, slider right, see what gauge, okay. So the sliders do work, I think. Let's see, split. Oh, right, there was supposed to be a time. Where's my time? Okay, so I'm going to incubate. There was a time. Okay, let me see. Do I get any red colors here? Okay, I can change the colors. Ah, maybe the time. Yeah, here's the time. Okay, sorry, my screen was hiding it. So here's my time shifter right here. That's pretty cool. It's simulating creation of new cells. trying to click on the cells, it's not changing anything. Let's go to microscope. Okay, that was interesting. Here's my cells. Go to microscope. And something is happening. I guess this is the incubation. Let's try incubate. We are incubating. Here's a progression of new cells. That's very interesting. Go to microscope. It's not reflected in the microscope, but that's okay. Observe. I can make cells reproduce. Let's see, I lost my mouse. There's mouse, split mass. Okay, so there's lots of things to play with here. Reset that. Incubate. And again, I can play with the development there. Microscope is empty. Objective. Organism to 2 hours. And let's see if the software recognizes. Okay, it does. So again, this is kind of a dual purpose tutorial. ARC Welder and playing with Cell Lab and apkpure.com to get your APKs to test. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.